Ever experienced a sudden sharp pain while consuming something hot or cold? That, my friends, is the telltale sign of sensitive teeth. Sensitive teeth, or dentin hypersensitivity, occur when the protective layers of your teeth wear down, exposing the nerve endings to temperature changes and certain foods. Common triggers include hot, cold, sweet, or acidic foods, and drinks that can cause a sudden, sharp, and often intense pain. But worry not, because today we have 3 effective DIY remedies to tackle this issue. Our first remedy is a simple yet effective saltwater rinse. First, you'll need to warm up a glass of water. Make sure it's not too hot, just comfortably warm. Then, stir in half a teaspoon of salt until it dissolves completely. Your saltwater rinse is ready. Now, why salt water? Well, salt is a natural antiseptic that can kill harmful bacteria in your mouth. It also helps to reduce inflammation, making it a perfect remedy for sensitive teeth. Just swish the solution around in your mouth for about 30 seconds, then spit it out. And voila, you've just done your first saltwater rinse. Remember to rinse your mouth with this solution twice daily for optimal results. Next up is green tea, a popular beverage with numerous health benefits. Among its many virtues, green tea can serve as a simple yet effective remedy for sensitive teeth. To use green tea for this purpose, first, prepare it as you normally would. Make sure to allow it to cool down to a comfortable temperature before using it. Green tea is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the nerves in your teeth, reducing sensitivity. It also contains natural fluoride, which strengthens teeth, adding a layer of protection against sensitivity. And it doesn't stop there. Green tea also helps in reducing pain associated with tooth sensitivity. For this remedy, use unsweetened green tea as a mouthwash twice a day. Our final remedy involves the soothing properties of honey. Combine a spoonful of honey with warm water to create an effective rinse. Honey, being a natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory substance, can aid in wound healing, reducing pain, inflammation, and swelling associated with sensitive teeth. It's like giving your mouth a gentle, sweet spa treatment that not only soothes, but also heals. Rinse your mouth with this solution every morning and before bed. There you have it, 3 proven and effective DIY remedies for sensitive teeth. A simple saltwater rinse, a soothing green tea, and a mix of honey with warm water. All these can help soothe your sensitive teeth discomfort. But remember, these are just supplements to your regular dental care, not replacements. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Remember, your health is in your hands.